Hello class 11th, welcome again. In previous video we were discussing about the mass percentage, percentage composition, volume percentage. Today first we will discuss about ppm. What is the full form of ppm? ppm means parts per million. Parts per million. What do you mean by million? Million means 10 lakh or 10 to the power 6. What do you mean by million? Million means 10 to the power 6 or 10 lakh. The part of 10 to the power 6 is known as ppm. The part of 100 means percent. The part of 10 to the 9 is ppb, parts per billion. That will be the next topic. The parts of 10 to the power 12 parts per trillion, ppt. Okay, so what do you mean by ppm? Parts per million. It means the part of 10 to the power 6. Okay, and how can we calculate the ppm? ppm of any substance in solution can be calculated. First of all, we will take the amount of that substance, then it will be divided by total amount of solution, and to calculate the ppm, then we will multiply it from 10 to the power 6. If you want to calculate the percentage, then you will have to multiply it from 100. Okay, so this is the meaning of ppm. In any question, suppose the question is 10 ppm chloroform. What do you mean by 10 ppm chloroform? You will have to consider that if the solution is 10 to the power 6 gram, then in that solution the chloroform will be 10 gram. Okay, so can I write it? 10 gram chloroform present in 10 to the power 6 gram solution. It is the meaning of ppm. Okay, and another topic related to this, ppb. Parts per billion. ppm and ppb are used in those conditions where the solute or the substance of in any solution becomes very low. Okay, so parts per billion, according to this formula, ppb of any substance in solution can be calculated by this formula. The amount of that substance, upon total amount of solution, then we will multiply it from 10 to the power 9 to calculate the ppb. If you want to calculate the ppt, parts per trillion, then you will have to multiply it from 10 to the power 12. Okay, for example, 10 ppb HCl. So what do you mean by 10 ppb HCl? Can you write it? If the chloroform is 10 gram, then the solution will be 10 to the power 9 gram. Okay, so can I write it? 10 gram chloroform present in 10 to the power 9 gram solution. This is the meaning of ppb. Okay, So first you take the screenshot for ppm and ppb, then I will tell you important topic, the heart of chemistry, that is mole concept, and you will see the question from the mole concept in IIT JEE NEET exam. Okay, and mole concept is very important topic for 12th class. In solution, the chapter number 2 in 12th class in solution, you will also find the question related to mole concept, and this is a very important topic in chemistry. Okay, first you take the screenshot for this, then I will tell you about the mole concept. Okay, can I ref it? Okay. Now put the heading mole concept. Mole concept. First of all, we will have to understand what do you mean by mole. Okay, one mole means is the chemical unit equals to the chemical unit present in the isotope of carbon C12. Okay, I am writing here the definition of mole. In one mole or the chemical units in one mole is equals to the chemical unit present in C12, and the chemical unit in C12, the chemical unit in C12 is equals to, very important, 6.22 into 10 to the power 23 chemical unit per mole. So it is the meaning of one mole. So one mole will be equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 chemical unit per mole. In every mole there will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 chemical units. Okay, for example, I am giving to you how many hydrogen atoms present in 1 mole of hydrogen. So your answer will be, I am talking about the 1 mole, so your answer will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms per mole. Okay, how many chloride ion present in 1 mole NaCl? So your answer will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 ions per mole. Okay, if I am giving to you how many molecules present in 1 mole water, so your answer will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules per mole. Okay, so 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 chemical units, whether maybe atoms or maybe ions or maybe molecules. Okay, so this is the meaning of one molecule. So first take the screenshot, then we will solve some numerical question related to mole concept. Okay, so first take the screenshot. Okay, one more thing. If about any gas, okay, in gas, the volume of 1 mole gas is always remain 22.4 liter. The volume of 1 mole gas, it is also considered 22.7. Okay, the volume of any gas in 1 mole will be 22.4 or 22,400 milliliter. Okay, so take the screenshot for this. Then I will tell you some numerical question related to mole concept. Okay. I am giving to you how many molecules present in 2 mole NaCl. So do the answer. In 2 mole NaCl, you know, in 1 mole NaCl there will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So in 2 mole your answer will be 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules per mole. Very simple question is this. And another one thing that is very important, how can we calculate the mole? Mole can be calculated by a formula, and the formula is that mole is equals to mass upon molar mass. Mole is equals to mass upon molar mass. Mole, the symbol of mole that I have already told to you in SI unit, the symbol of mole is N, and the mass or weight you can denote it small m or W. M upon N. Okay, I am giving to a question that how many mole present in 18 gram water. How many moles present in 18 gram water? So mass of water is here 18 gram. The mass of water is 18 gram. Mass of water is 18 gram. Okay. Molar mass of water, H2O. Molar mass will be 2 of hydrogen and 16 of oxygen. So molar mass will be 18. Okay. So the moles of water, N will be 18 upon 18. So your answer will be 1. Okay. So mole is equal to mass upon molar mass. I am giving to the another question. Timely you should take the screenshot. And ready your notes properly. Okay. Calculate the number of moles in 50 gram NaCl. You should pause the video and do this question by yourself. Okay, and I am telling to you the mass of NaCl. The mass of NaCl is here 15 gram, and the molar mass of NaCl will be 23 plus 35.5, so it should be 58.5. So moles of NaCl will be 50 upon 58.5 mass upon molar mass, and do the calculation by yourself. You will find out the question. Okay, this is the moles. Another question that I am giving to you, that how many grams of water present in 2 moles. Present in 2 moles. Here moles is equal to, we know very well, mass upon molar mass. Here we will have to calculate the mass. Then mass will be moles into molar mass. Here moles is 2, and molar mass of water, you know very well, 18, that I have already told to you about in previous question. Okay, then mass will be 18 into 2, and your answer will be 36. This is about the moles. Okay, so it's very important topic, moles. Okay, so this is about the mole. In next video we will carry on the mole concept, because there are some important formula related to mole concept, like molarity, molality, normality, formality, mole fraction. That is all about the mole concept. Okay, so mole concept will be the very important topic for you. Keep watching the video. In next video we will study about the molarity, molality, normality, formality, and mole fraction. Okay, keep watching the video. Thank you so much.